Look, see this bluff country of Sudan. I cannot believe what's going on in my homeland of Jonglei state. At this time of sadness, broken-hearted and shock, where everyone is in a deep grips. The land which was blessed by our ancestors is now a mess. You see, these days I could see our future leaders are everywhere crying, afraid of sitting on the floor. They now lack space to play because the floor is wet, flooded with water. I can also see adults' face show trouble, an expression which shows us fear in the sky. You see, the ample water from a Nile river arose and demolished everything. Now, everyone runs away from what used to be a street. I still cannot believe my uncle's home has been washed away by the water. Now they can't find peace in a sleep, no hopes at all. I'm thinking of the time water bring favor, now water bring failure. We are left with no option, no power to stop this water from destroying our homestead. But if we join hands, we will survive it. Our properties are destroyed. It is hard to say anything on this hard time. It is good if we remain silent and work as a team. Remember, our God is watching us. He is the mighty Father who doesn't send every raindrop, but He who fills every teardrop. He is the God who seems asleep, not because He is tired or not attentive or He doesn't care, but He is at peace, knowing anything mightier than a wind is a grace but lift us up. Let's trust Him and soon everything will be fine. Dear God, just glad at us, we are dying slowly. You see, today I call upon our slogan which said, let's unite, save and save our country people from Jonglei state. Hope Mabach.